see. We heard the angels singing, and someone called your name. We turned and saw this young man. He was smiling as he prayed. And he said, friend, you may not know me now, but then he stepped away. You used to teach my Sunday school when I was only 8. Every week you'd say that prayer before the class would start. And one day when you said that prayer, I asked Jesus in my heart. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am alive, that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I'm so glad you came. And another man stood before you and said, I remember the time a missionary came to your church. His pictures made you cry. You didn't have much money, but you gave it away. Jesus took the gift you gave, and that's why I'm here today. So thank you for giving to the Lord. I am alive, I was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you came. One by one they came, for us that I could see. Each life somehow touched by your generosity. Little things that you had done and sacrifices made, unnoticed here on earth, but in heaven now proclaimed. And I know up in heaven you're not supposed to cry, but I'm almost sure there were tears in your eyes as Jesus took your hand and you stood before the Lord. He said, my child, look around you, here is your reward. So thank you for giving to the Lord. Since I am alive, that was changed.